Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the HMS Queen Victoria! I am currently squirreled away in a safe location, yes, but you can use this painting to imagine my handsome visage as I keep you safe from afar. Yes, far afar. Yes, regardless, though, of where I am, we need to get back to my island in the Channel. But there... You know what that means? Get on it, lads!
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Yeah, the lag at the start is so annoying.
Yeah, I'm glad it's not just me. Whoa. Yeah.
No, it's everyone. It's
nice. It's nice to start with no weapons whatsoever, so you can't even do anything when they swarm you.
Oh my god.
Come on, guns, load in.
Frozen. Oh my. Oh god.
Yeah,
I'm dying.
I'm running around. My gun isn't out yet. I can't do anything. Oh, there we go. Yes, now I can.
Oh my game, please! Oh!
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Hit the nail on the head.
Husk.
Can get to the fuel tank.
Ow. Oh, hey, Crawler.
I don't know, is this a good spot, guys?
Probably not.
Hey Bertie, you're still here!
Came out.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that too. Well, spot is right here.
Yeah, by wave 7.
That's what we don't want to hear.
Really, you were into that?
For fuck's sake!